Welcome back, folks, to another episode of Midlife Models. PJ here. It's been a minute since I last did a video. Various issues I've had, but hopefully we're back, revitalised. And in this episode, what I'm going to do is look at a gift I've had from a friend of the channel, Moz, at Moz6510 Models. And Moz knows that I used to like doing these Airfix QuickBuilds, and he's very generously sent me a quick build, and it's the Audi R8 Coupé. Been a while since I've done one of these. This is J6049, the Audi R8 Coupé. No glue, no paint, just build. Moz asked if I'd build this and do a video on it, and why not? He was gracious enough to send it to me, and I'm quite happy to build it. So I'm going to get the stuff out of the box and we'll take it from there. And I'll catch you in a few. Cheers. So there we go. We've got our instructions. We've got a clear plastic canopy, some stickers, and of course the main part of the kit is all in one bag. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to open the bags and get it all laid out, and we'll see what it looks like before we start building it. So welcome back, and there's all our parts laid out. So what I'm going to do now is just move some to one side. We'll get the instructions down at the front and we'll start building, and I'll catch you in a mo. Cheers. So welcome to the reveal, folks, of our Airfix QuickBuild J6049, and it's the Audi R8 Coupe. This was sent to me by my mate Moz from Moz6510 Models. Thanks, mate, much appreciated. He asked me to do a video, which, as I say, quite happy to do. Nice little build, this one. What I did do prior to putting the build together was to put the stickers on. It was easier to do it that way than put them on part way through the build. So I identified the parts that wanted the stickers on and did that, and then assembled it. And it's a nice little model, this one. I've actually picked up another one in my travels whilst doing this, and I've got a Messerschmitt 109 to do. So I'll be doing that at some point in the future. But it is time to get back onto the diecast. I've been off for a while, missed doing it. So we'll see you soon with a new project. You can always find me and a bunch of others on Facebook at our diecast and modelers community, the DMC. You will be made welcome if you come and join us. And yeah, that's about it. I'll see you in the next one, and I'll see you soon. Cheers.